Microbes are tiny living things that are found all around us and are too small to be seen by the naked eye. They are also called microorganisms. Types of microorganisms: bacteria, viruses, fungi, algae and protozoa. Bacteria are a type of biological cell. They constitute a large domain of prokaryotic microorganisms, typically a few micrometers in length. Bacteria composition and structure: DNA, cell walls, ribosomes and chromosomes, plasmids, flagella. Classification: a few different criteria are used to classify bacteria. The organisms can be distinguished by the nature of their cell walls, by their shape, or by differences in their genetic makeup. Gram-negative bacteria. Gram-negative bacteria are bacteria that do not retain the crystal violet stain used in the Gram staining method of bacterial differentiation. They appear pink in color. E.G. coli Pseudomonas Yersinia pestis. Gram-positive bacteria. Gram-positive bacteria are bacteria with thick cell walls. In a Gram stain test, these organisms yield a positive result. The test, which involves a chemical dye, stains the bacterium's cell wall purple. According to shape, rods, spiral, cocci vibrio, spore former.